Here we have a Range Rover Sport where we installed a Ghost Immobiliser, and I'm going to show you how to put it into service mode. So, come in. So what you need to do is turn the ignition on, so ignition goes live, enter your current code, whatever that might be, and you wait for the 2 flashes. Once that's happened, with the Range Rover, you'd have to put the high beam on and push the cancel button 5 times. And then the indicator will flash 5 times. Now that is service mode. So you no longer have to enter the code to actually start the engine up. As you can see. I'll do it one more time just to show you. Now to pull out of service mode, 2 things that needs to be done. You could either take it for a test drive or take it for a drive, go over 30 miles an hour for approximately 10 minutes, and it would automatically pull out of service mode. So next time you try to start it, it won't start. Or what you do, you just turn the ignition back on again and just simply enter your current code, whatever that might be, and you get the 2 flashes. Now that has now pulled it out of service mode. So let me just demonstrate that. So if I try to start it now, won't start. It's completely immobilised. So now I've got to enter the code in. And there you have it. That's how you put a Ghost Immobiliser into service mode with a Range Rover Sport. And that is the same procedure with most of the Land Rover and Range Rover and Jaguar as well.